Hey there, Instagram users. Are you looking for a way to log out of your Instagram account on your Android device? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that in a few easy steps. First, open up the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right. Then tap Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings. Now, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap Log Out Username. This will give you the option to log out of your account. Finally, confirm your step and tap Log Out. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Instagram account. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now log out of your Instagram account with ease. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.